you have information or a skill that you can package into a course or an ebook, then you need to start now. So digital products are products that someone buys from you and they can use online, therefore digital. All right, so they don't get a physical product delivered to them. Instead, they get a link to a download or a link to access a program on an online platform. I know there's someone watching this video and thinking, well, I don't have anything to teach, so it's probably not for me. And you're probably wrong. We all have something to teach, because there is always someone who is at a lower knowledge level than you, at a lower skill level than you, who will actually be willing to learn from you, to be at the level that you are at in that particular skill or that particular subject matter, right? So there is always, you need to think about, oh, what do you know, what comes so naturally to you, or what topic or subject matter do you genuinely enjoy and know so much about that you can teach to someone, that they can actually apply in their life to make a part of their life better, or make their life better in some kind of way, right? So what knowledge or skill do you have that you can teach someone that can add value into their lives? What are those things, and how can you package them? Do you need to package it as a course, or can you package it as an ebook to teach that person, to get someone from where they are to the level that you are at, right? So the reason that digital products are passive is because you only have to create it once, just once. So if it's a course, you need to record your course videos and upload them and edit them and everything, your slides or whatnot. You do it once, and then your course is up, and your course can sell, as long as that information or that skill is relevant, or the knowledge or the information around that skill is still relevant. You can sell it for years. You can update it along the way if you'd like, when you gain more information, or when your perspective changes on a particular thing that really inside that topic, or that you mentioned in that course or that ebook. You can update it, but other than that, you do the work once, and all you do after that is sell it. So digital products can come in different forms. So it can come in the form of an ebook, it can come in the form of a workbook that someone has to that someone can use to learn, so they can read a bit, then answer questions, work through something in order to learn. Or it can come in the form of a template, so you can create a template on Canva, or you're creating a video template that they're using to create certain videos. It can come in the form of presets that you sell via Adobe Lightroom or something. So it can come in the form of different forms. It can come in the form of a course, so a course that someone will watch. Someone will watch videos and follow along. So it can come in those different forms, and you just need to choose what form is easiest for you to create, and what form is best for the type of thing that you want to teach, right? So if you're teaching something that requires physical activity, like how to play an instrument, I don't think creating an ebook or a workbook is the best way to do it. But you can record videos showing, this is where you press, this is where you click, this is where you put your fingers, what. If you are creating a course on, to help somebody learn a certain skill, learn how to draw, you're not going to do that via an ebook, right? So, and also, if you are teaching somebody how to take care of how to get out of debt, right? You can do that through an ebook. You can do that through a workbook, right? You can create a saving template or a budgeting template. It doesn't always have to be a course. You can create a course for it, but it doesn't have to be. You can create an ebook for that. So you just need to take a look at what is it that I want to teach, and what's the best way to deliver it. So regardless of what form of the digital download that you choose to create, you need to create sort of like a roadmap to get someone from where they likely are. So it can be, if let's use the whole concept of personal finance, Or let me use my example. Let's say I'm trying to get someone from a point of not knowing how to start a business. They have an idea, so not knowing how to take that idea and turn it into a business that's actually running now and making sales, right? So where they are is that they have an idea, but they don't know how to take that idea and turn it into a business, right? So I'm going to write down the different things that they need to do to get from here to here, right? So I'm going to write down, all the different things that they need to do, or the different actions they need to take, the different things that I know that they need to know, whether it's marketing, whether it's understanding target audience, whether it's understanding advertising or branding, so those different things that I know that, okay, if you are going to be here, if you're going to be here where you have a business and it's making sales and all that, you need to have done this and this and this and this, and you need to understand this and this and this and this concept, right? So I can do it in the form of an ebook or a workbook, where I show you the different steps. You can work through it and write down your version. So if it's a workbook, then I would explain what a target audience is and all that, explain how to find your target audience. Then I can create a little space to help you kind of identify your target audience, and you can fill that in, and then at the end of doing that exercise, you've figured out who your target audience is, right? That's the value I provide in that section. And do that with the different sections. Give you tasks. I can do it through a course where I create videos and actually explain it verbally to say this is what a target audience is, blah 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 blah. So in order to find your target audience, then I put on a slide and show you need to know this and this and this and this, write this and this and this down, and then you can do that at your own pace and all that. So you need to write down the different steps, map out the different steps, or the different things that somebody needs to learn in order to get from the point where they are to the point where you want them to get to, right, with that particular digital product. So map that out, and then when you've mapped that out, now you start filling in the information under those different steps or those different topics and stuff. Fill in the information, and then you put it in a nice order. So if it's an ebook, then you now put it in an order that will be easily readable for the person. So you need to be reading through it and say, okay, cool, this section needs to come after this section because it makes sense, it flows into each other and stuff like that. You know what I mean? If it's video lessons, then you obviously know that the first thing you need to learn, or the first thing that you learned when you were learning how to play this, was this, and then you learned how to do this and this. They need to flow into each other. The different steps need to flow into each other so that somebody can easily learn in the right order, right? Because if they are learning on their own, trying through Google and YouTube and whatnot, they are picking up different bits and pieces and trying to put them together, right? So it takes the person longer to learn that thing. But if you have put all those bits and pieces in the correct order, because you are now the expert in the situation, so you've put them in the correct order. Don't try to sound like a textbook, right? You're not creating a textbook. You are trying to simplify the learning process for the person. You're giving them a simple way to get from not knowing how to do something to knowing how to do something, or not knowing about something to knowing about something and understanding it into a point where they can actually or are applying into their lives. I hope that makes sense. So to create your ebook, you can write it out in Word and then convert it into a PDF, or you can use Google Docs and save it as a PDF. You can also go on Canva. On Canva, you can they have templates, ebook templates. You can choose an ebook template that you like, choose your colors and all that, and write it out in the spaces, the text spaces and whatnot, and you can then save it as a PDF. literally that simple. You can also, if you want it to be like a published book where you get royalties on Amazon, you want it to be on Amazon and whatnot, you can upload it onto Amazon KDP as an ebook, and it'll be sold on Amazon and you will get royalties for it. Royalties are basically a portion of the sales. Or you can simply just save it and sell it as your PDF on your own website. You can sell it on Shopify. If you create a Shopify website, let's say that's the only thing you sell, you can create a store, like a sales page basically. Shopify does have a plan. I think it's like $5. I haven't checked if it's changed. $5 or $9, I don't remember. Where if you're like only selling like one product, so you have all the features, you can check the analytics and all those things, but like it is tailored for you to sell one product, right? And you can have your one product and sell it and all that. So there is a app called Digital Product on Shopify, on the Shopify app store, or yeah, and you can like you add that to your store and then you sell your product or your digital download through that, whether it's a video or a PDF, whatnot. And then if you are creating a course, I would say try something like Thinkific. Thinkific, you can integrate it to your Shopify store, and then when somebody buys your course, they are automatically redirected to be able to create an account on Thinkific, right, after they've paid. And then with Thinkific, they have a free plan where you can create one course for free and sell it, like one course, sell it and everything for free without paying. But if you create more courses, obviously you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. So you can try that because it's easy, it integrates with your thing. You can also try Teachable, but with Teachable you won't be able to integrate it to your Shopify store, but you can add like a little tab on your Shopify store where someone can click to go to Teachable, or they can buy it on your site, pay for it on your site, and then you can manually create an account for them on Teachable and send them their details, right? And also I'm saying all this because in South Africa, if Teachable, everything is in dollars on Teachable. So if you are in South Africa, then you wouldn't, if you're sending it direct, if they need to go directly on your Teachable like things page and whatnot to buy the course, then they would buy it in dollars. I don't like that. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I don't know why I don't like it. I just don't. So I just prefer using the Thinkific route because I can integrate it to my Shopify store. That's what I plan to do because I will be creating a course or two next year. So I'm gonna use Thinkific. You can also sell your course on Udemy. So Udemy is like I keep saying this, is a take-a-lot of courses, right? So different instructors are able to create courses and upload them and sell them on Udemy. They have their ways of how you can promote your course and whatnot, and they promote your courses for you and all that stuff. Basically the way Take-A-Lot does, if you're familiar with Take-A-Lot. So yeah, those are ways on how you can sell your digital products and all that. So once it's uploaded onto whatever platform you are using, literally if you have an ad running, you can run ads and have them just run, have a traffic ad run, and then have a conversion ad run to target the people who visited your site or the people who have interacted with your social media page, your Facebook or Instagram page. You can talk about that particular subject matter, give tips and plugs and whatnot on TikTok or on Instagram, and then direct people to that course to say, by the way guys, I have a course, or you can learn more about this in my course, or you can learn more about this in my ebook. You can talk directly about your ebook or directly about your course to say, by the way guys, I created this course. If you are looking to learn this and this and this, you can take a look at my course, and you can link it in your what do you call this thing, the bio or whatever. So that is how you can promote it, run your ads, create content around it where you just like give people little snippets of like little nuggets of knowledge from that relates to that course or that ebook, where you can easily afterwards say, if you want to know more, I have a course, this is how much it is, and this is what you learn in the course, or this is what you learn in the ebook. So if you have something that you want to teach, or you have something that you are really good at, you can teach it to someone. There is someone out there who's looking to learn that thing. There's someone out there looking for that information. You can do that and make money. Great passive income stream. You work once and you just keep selling the thing, keep selling the course, keep selling the ebook or the workbook or whatnot. So you should definitely try. If you're looking for a passive income stream, you know, where you can make money from what you know, or what you are good at, or what you enjoy talking about, or what you enjoy doing, try it out. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Remember to hit that subscribe button and like the video, and if you know someone who might find this information helpful, definitely share the video with them to help them out. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, so as some of you know, I have been running a giveaway this whole month. So to select the winner, I am going to enter all the names. So all the names of the people who actually completed all the steps. I'm going to enter all the names into this little thingy, this app or site. And it will spin a wheel and then select the winner at random. And then I will contact the person. So using the details that you provided, I will contact you so we can arrange how you will receive your cash prize. So good luck to everybody who entered, and thank you for participating. I will try to do more of these, as you know, in the coming months and stuff like that. So yeah, let's see who won. So I entered all the names of all the people who entered the giveaway into this thing, and let's see. Congratulations, Pumla. I will be contacting you with the details that you provided when you entered the giveaway. Thank you to everyone else who entered.